Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing Unity and the input system so your joystick reads touch and mouse events correctly. Open the scene, add a canvas in screen space overlay, then add a panel to hold your joystick UI. Create 2 images, one for the base and one for the knob. Make the base roughly 3 times the knob diameter so dragging feels natural. Once done, attach an event system with the input system, UI input module, and add a new UI prefab folder to keep assets organized. Now implement the interactive core, add a joystick. CS script to the base object that implements iPointer down handler, iDrag handler, and iPointer up handler. In onPointer down, record the start position. In onDrag, convert input to local coordinates using rect transform utility. Screen point to local point in rectangle. Compute a delta from the base center, clamp the vector to the base radius so the knob never leaves its circle, and set the knob rect transform anchored position accordingly. Normalize that clamped vector to expose a usable 2D input value for movement or aiming. Finish by exposing a clean API from the joystick. Public vector2 value, a dead zone float, and sensitivity settings. Provide an option for raw versus normalized output. Wire the joystick. Value into your player movement or camera controller in update or fixed update, multiplying by speed and delta time as needed. Test on desktop and touch. If the joystick jitters, make sure canvas scale is constant pixel size or adjust calculations for scale. Verify the input system module is active and set a small dead zone to ignore micro movements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.